Redmi has entered the over-ear audio category with the launch of its first wireless headphones in China, launched alongside Redmi K90 Ultra. The new Headphones Neo focuses on ANC, long battery life, and premium audio features at affordable prices. It comes with a minimalistic design with foldable ear cups for easier portability. Weight is just 263 grams. The headphone uses protein leather ear cushions filled with slow rebound foam for improved comfort during extended listening sessions. The ear cup supports up to 110-degree rotation and 15-degree tilt to better fit different head shapes, while adjustable metal headband is designed for durability and comfort. It comes equipped with 40 titanium plate dynamic driver housed inside an independent acoustic chamber to deliver cleaner sound with reduced distortion. It supports USB audio for wide playback. It has 4 preset EQ profiles with 10-band custom equalizer. ANC is rated at 42 dB and offers deep, balance, and light modes. It packs 600 mAh battery that delivers 72 hours on single charge, while 10 minutes charge gives 5 hours of listening time. The headphone features adaptive ANC, a triple microphone AI calling system with wind noise reduction up to 5 ms, Bluetooth connectivity, dual device pairing, audio sharing, notification broadcast, and Xiaomi HyperConnect features. It starts at $50 in China with a limited introductory offer of $40 under local promotion. It comes in jazz blue, symphony white, rock, black color options.